welcome to the Checkout Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide a shipping method based on customer tag using the Next Reorder app. So this is useful if you want different shipping option for different customer group, such as wholesale or VIP customer, etc. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First, we can go to the app section. So here we can click on Next Reorder app. So here we can choose the shipping method, and here we can select the quick hide shipping method. So to configure the rule, we can give the rule name as hide express shipping for VIP, like that. So the rule status is activated now. So here we can choose the shipping method as express shipping. So here we can give the condition. So take on condition and choose the customer tag and click on add condition. Here we can give the condition as VIP tag. So that's it. Okay, now we can go to the checkout section and let's see before that. Is there there is express delivery for this customer. So here I'm given the VIP tag. So let's see if it is changed or not. Okay, go to the checkout section and let refresh. Okay, now we can see there is no express delivery option. So this customer is with the VIP tag. So that's it. So customer tag let you create different shipping experience for different customer group without changing your store settings. So that's it. You have successfully hidden a shipping method by customer tag using the Next Reorder app. So if you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.